Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, Pyare Hazur.
Islam.
My name is Inaya Royman. My question to beloved Hazur is, when we have attained a certain spiritual level, what can we do to ensure that we persevere from there and not fall again due to weaknesses?
You see, for that you do istighfar continuously. You seek Allah's help. Beseech Allah that He helps you. And fervently pray to Him that once you have attained this status, you should not lose this status. You should not fall back. Right? Right? And do istighfar continuously, permanently. And offer 5-time daily prayers. Allah Ta'ala says that daily prayers are the best source of keeping you away and keeping you safe from the bad deeds of the worldly societies. Right? So, you seek Allah's help and offer 5 daily prayers. And while you are praying, pray fervently with regards to your present status which you have attained. And always remember, whenever any bad thing comes into your mind, always think that before you start thinking of doing that thing, that Allah Ta'ala is watching over you. Your every deed and action is being watched by Allah Ta'ala. So this is how you can save yourself. And at the same time, as I have said, you do istighfar. Right?